Hey, we're going the wrong way. It was your fault. Oh, my fault about what? You getting lost? You got us lost. What do you mean? It was your fault to wander away from the pack just to chase an ill elk. Don't be that way, please. I don't want to start an argument again. I've lost you 3 times already today. Fine, let's just agree that it was a minor mistake. Yes, so where should we go then? Exactly what I'm trying to find out. It's common sense. Is there any sense? Nope, nothing at all. We wandered way out here and we didn't even get the elk. Let's not argue, it's gonna make things worse. Fine. But I'm at a higher rank than you, and you should know that. I know that. Well, where did we last leave off? Come on, I know the way. Why didn't you tell me? Just come on. I think it's this way. Are you coming? I can't walk. I'm getting tangled up in these veins. They're not veins, it's just long prairie grass. Come on. You can't barely walk. This way. Just follow me. Fine, I'll let him have his way. Come back. Hey, where is she? I'm right here. It's getting really spooky. I don't know if we should do this. Let's just go back into that grass. It's gonna be worse in the grass. Come on. I'm going the shortcut. It's not a shortcut. You mean the long way and the dangerous way? Go ahead, noob. No one says noob anymore. Are you in 2015? I said be quiet. Jeez, okay. I'm going off on my own. Where should we meet? I don't know. But I'm easily noticeable since this white coat. Bye! Hey, what was that for? He's too fast for me. It smells like the dump in here. Wait, come back. Come back. I thought you went the other way. I did. I just don't know which way is... Wait, my mistake. I went the wrong way. Ha! Who's wrong? I'm the right one this time, aren't I? It was just a mistake. Now come on. You don't know the way. Just admit it. Haha, I'm right. We're here at the den. Where are they? Probably on a hunt. Wait. I smell them. I don't. What do you mean? I don't smell them. There's no trace. No trace? You're right. There's no trace of them. This way. Come on. Are you afraid? Of course I am. I can barely see myself in here. You can't see yourself. See, I'm wiser than you. Oh my god. Wait. What? Ew! There's a monster. It's not a monster. Grow up. Ugh. Whatever you know. Come on, I'll howl. Duh, fine. Is it morning yet? Is it morning? No, we just went to a brighter spot. And remember, cougars can hear you. Get this over with now. Okay. That was puny and miserable. How'd you like that, though? That was miserable. Now, come on. Wow, look at the sunset. It's beautiful. What sunset? That over there. If it can be the opposite of a sunset, it might be a sunset. Am I right? No, that's the opposite of the sunset. I said that. Come on, we need to get out. A storm's coming, that means. How would you know? You're not no scientist. It's starting to sprinkle. Come on, you can see it in the rocks. Those are rain. Okay, come on, let's go. This isn't fun and games. We could be killed if there's a thunderstorm. Who said a thunderstorm? Come on, it's getting wetter. Help, please. Get me down. You're such an idiot. Come down. Come down here now. We're home, we're home, we're home. Where's the others? They're gone. Remember? They're gone. You don't have to be so rude. Jeez, I was only trying to help. Well, they're gone. And it's 'cause of you. We wouldn't argue, remember? You've gotten on my last nerve. I can't take it with you. Let's just sleep here and hope they return by the morning. But chances are they moved the pack already without us. Okay. Don't sleep next to me. I don't want to see your face. I'm sleeping over here. Good night. Hey, I said good night. Aren't you gonna be polite and say good night back? Be quiet and leave me alone. I'm trying to sleep. Rude.